Hello everyone, welcome back to Anonymous World. So we are starting a series on one of fastest growing language, Python. In this video I will tell you what is Python, why to learn it and why is it useful. Basically introduction to Python. So Python is developed by Guido van Rossum in 90s. It's a high level programming language as it is highly abstracted from assembly language used to provide instructions to CPU. It's free and open source language. It is maintained by Python community and it is freely distributed. As it is open source, you too can give your codes to modify it. As I told, it is one of the fastest growing language, but in what terms? In terms of number of developers using it, in terms of companies using it, in terms of libraries we have, and in terms of area you can implement it. Also, it's portable. By portable I mean you can take one code and run on any machine. You don't need to write different codes for different machines. Now, why the name Python? Every language like Java, C has a story behind their name. So, does it mean developer loved snakes? No, it's not like that. He was a fan of BBC comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus. So, thus he named this language as Python. So, now coming to the most important question, why to learn Python? The answer is it's simple and easy to learn than other languages like Java, C, C++, etc. etc. Like in Java, semicolons, curly braces are mandatory, but what matters in Python is indentation. It focuses on indentation. Python has small codes. For example, for printing a simple hello world program, Java will take 6 to 7 lines, but Python will take only 1 line. Python is object oriented, it is interpreted language, means you can run the program straight from the source code. Python has a numerous libraries for different needs. Django and Flask are two of the most popular frameworks for web development. It is dynamically typed, which means we don't have to declare the type of variable or manage the memory while assigning a value to a variable. Basically, it doesn't know about the type of variable until the code is run, so declaration is of no use. Now let's talk about applications of Python. Python has a huge base of application. It's used in almost every field. For web development, Django, Flask, Bottle are some of the popular frameworks. NumPy and Pandas are most used in scientific and numeric uses. Python is in trend in field of machine learning and artificial intelligence. You must learn Python for AI and machine learning. It is used in desktop applications, databases like MySQL, Oracle, for data science, and the last one, pen testing. You can make your own tools and scripts for white hat hacking, bug hunting, or in any part of hacking. I am not sure you can make your scripts by seeing these tutorials because you need to do some different codes and need to refer some different books for making your own scripts with Python. At last, why it is useful? It is useful as it is a huge community and development base. New version of Python keeps on rolling. It is used in many fields. Living small companies, it is also used in Google, YouTube, Dropbox, NASA, in finance fields, in almost every field. So you can imagine Python is used in many areas. Python is growing really fast and it makes a lot of sense to learn a growing programming language if you are just starting your programming career. Many companies hire programmers who are master in Python as it is used everywhere. Also, it has shorter codes so it reduces development time, which is an advantage of learning Python language. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, please drop a like and do subscribe.